Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are a diabetic or you take a lot of medicine, you know how frustrating and confusing it can be to keep all of your supplies all organized and convenient. So Vaultz has come up with this amazing diabetic medicine case. It has so many things, so many features that make this thing life-changing to take care of all of your diabetic needs. So let me show you all of the features that make this bag so unique and so helpful. First of all, it has a ton of pockets so you can have all of your supplies. It also has a lock with a code on it, so usually you'll have needles or finger pricks and some strong medicines. So anything that you want to keep safe out of kids' hands or anyone else, you can keep in the locked section. In the lock section, they have several pockets. So there's two that are netting so you can see what's in them. And then they have this really nice little baggie here that unsnaps. There's also two of these felt bags. I thought they were really nice for my husband to put his the lancets and the tester strips in because they also unvelcro from the bag so it's easy to get them in and out. There's also a pocket on the outside and there's another pocket that's super nice. It is insulated, so if you have insulin and you need to keep it cool, this would be a really nice pocket to keep that in. This thing is so well made. The quality is phenomenal. If you're looking for a way to keep all of your diabetic supplies convenient and organized, this bag by Vaultz is super nice. You will love having it and it will make your life so much easier. But that's just our point of view.